Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, we are still on hot nuts today. What we have here is a Tom's Little Hot Nut Vendor. Really kind of a cute little machine. We're standing on some kind of bar top in a bar or some type of retail operation. But basically what it was, it's a bulk vendor. This particular machine is set up for hot cashews, as you can see on the other side, and mixed nuts on the other side. Totally works, keeps them warm. You say you put some kind of cup or dispenser down on the bottom, which it would dispense out to. So if you're into vintage vending or want something really cool to sit on your bar or tabletop, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.